Hey, youngsters! Today we are gonna make fried fish. Now you can use any type of fish that is used for frying. Now all fish are made for frying, but today I don't have any whiting from New Jersey, so I'm gonna be using tilapia. I know some people say tilapia is no good for you, da 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 da. Okay, that's what I have, so that's what I'm gonna use. I'm also gonna fry a few shrimp, so let's get into it. So we're gonna start off by making our batter, our fish fry batter. Start off by using some fish fry, golden dip fish fry. I'll leave the recipe in the description box below. We're gonna use the McCormick Golden Dip Cajun seasoning. A little bit of yellow cornmeal to give it that crunch. A little bit of lemon pepper. To give it that twang. We're going to use a little bit of garlic powder. Okay, a little bit of onion powder. A little bit of cayenne. A little bit of salt, not much. Put a lid on it and shake. Now here's your batter. All right, so we're gonna season our fish with a little bit of Old Bay. On both sides. And that's it. Same thing with our shrimp. We're just gonna sprinkle it with a little bit of Old Bay. Give it a little mix. One egg. You're going to pour that right over your shrimp. And set that aside. So I'm going to be using vegetable oil. And just enough to cover the fish. Let this get hot. Right, I'm gonna start to batter the fish and put it on the rack. I don't use any eggs, anything like that, and it will adhere to the fish. Just like that, nice and thin batter. All right, so we're gonna do the same thing with the shrimp and put it directly into the batter. Give it a good shake. You could set that aside. Do not overcrowd your pan. Okay, so you want your fish to be nice and golden. And keep in mind, I mean, some people like their fish fried hard, some like it soft, so it depends on what you like. But keep an eye on it so that you don't want to dry it out because fish cooks very quickly. So about 4 to 5 minutes. All right, so this is nice and golden. I'm just going to place it on a rack. Now, if you don't have a lot of oil in your pan, you may have to flip the fish. But if it's enough oil to cover the top, then, you know, you don't have to flip it. Okay, so now we're going to just drop the shrimp right on in. And these cook very quickly. Nice and golden, and then you take them right on out. And discard your leftover batter. Do not reuse it. Okay, the shrimp are done. We're going to scoop them right on out. Nice and golden. Your nice shrimp and fish platter. Oh, it's so flavorful. So I'm just gonna assemble a little sandwich, and I'm gonna take a piece of fish, 2 pieces of fish, squeeze some fresh lemon over it, Sweet Baby Ray's hot sauce, piece of cheese, some tartar sauce, This sandwich was so good. You can eat it by itself. You can make it as a sandwich. However you like. It's just that good. But this sandwich and the shrimp, both, was a banger. Guys, I'll see you next time.